Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up sales in Wave. Setting up sales tax properly ensures that you charge clients accurately and stay compliant with tax laws. Here's how to do it. First step, log into your Wave account and then you navigate to sales and sales taxes from the left hand menu. Click the add a sales tax button, and then in the pop-up window you can name the tax. You also need to enter the tax rate as a percentage, and you can choose whether the tax is compound, that is used when one tax is calculated on top of another. And also you're going to need to add a description if needed. Once that's done, click save to finalize. You can create multiple taxes and assign them per invoice or line item. Wave will remember your most recent selection. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.